eating while playing your video. This is the part 6 of this episode, guys. So let's do the shout out and playing the video. Shout out to Indri Official. Ma'am Indri Official is a very generous person. Always give us super thanks. Thank you, ma'am, very much. And we have to play one video. Yan. Okay. Let's next. Mamaya tayo magko-comment sa kanya. Kaya mo tayo. Hotdog. Sarap. Let's shut up. Let's give big shout out to Grandma Oti. And Grandma Oti. Okay, yan. So let's play one of your video, ma'am. I think we have to choose this one. Yan. Okay. What happened? Nagpo-pause yata. Let's go back. Let's be back. Later. Wala go. Later. What? Ayun na. Hindi lang later. Word pa. Charot. Yan, si Grandma, ma'am. Okay, wait lang. Oti. Grandma Oti, this is your video, ma'am. Okay. Shout out to you, ma'am. She always came to view our videos on my channel. So thank you for viewing my videos. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is my granddaughter. Okay. Shout out to Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Yan, si Ma'am Shen. Please don't forget to visit her music channel. Her channel is master in playing piano. Okay. Let's play one video for Ma'am Shen. This one. Okay. Mamaya tayo na magka-comment. Okay, kakain muna ako. Ito sa may cheese. At may hotdog. Yan. Oh. Masarap mag-vlog. Naka-break ka. Tapos mag-play ka ng video. Kakain ka. Yan. Harap niya. Kain ka pa. Nakapabulag ka pa. Tapos nakapag-play pa ka pa ng mga video. Hindi na sayang yung oras natin. Kain, playing. Shout out pa yun. Diba guys? Kain kayo. Yan. Unti-unti lang pagkain para hindi may blood. Sarap. Very, very delicious. Kama ng tubig. Up. Tubig muna tayo, guys. Squatro na pala. Oh. Stage pa pala, sorry. Kala ko squatro na. Okay. Comment muna tayo. Grandma. Okay. Parang nag-post yata kay Grandma ang video ko. Kay Andre. Comment tayo kay Andre. Start ko muna itong isang cellphone ko. Ito. Nag-kuhan siya. Ito muna. Kukomment muna ako, ha. Beautiful walking tour kang Ma'am ako nagko-comment. Indri Official. Okay. Okay, yan. Tsaka i-share ko. Share natin. Yan. Share the video. Okay, share na. Okay. Yan, isang cellphone ko na kuan. Ito naman ka Ma'am Shen. Komentay ka Ma'am Shen. Tapos na oh. So, mabilisan lang yung video niya. Komentayan. Awesome. Ay. Ay, Jawi. Kapaha. Awesome, milakaw magod ka ha. Kuan kanang